In 2005, I started Buchanan Construction based on really some strong core values: quality, integrity, and professionalism. So I wanted to build an organization that delivered a superior craftsmanship, high quality, around integrity, that's been honest, transparent to our clients, and delivering that in a very professional manner. At Buchanan Construction, we have three different divisions. We have a custom home division, we have a commercial division, and we have a luxury renovation division. We also have a team of interior designers that works in all three of those divisions. So I think something that's unique about our company is because we started with custom homes and really the level of commitment and communication and quality that clients look for in a custom home, we are able to deliver that not only to our custom home clients, but also to our commercial clients and our luxury renovation projects. Buchanan Construction is located in Asheville, North Carolina, and we serve clientele in the greater Western North Carolina area and also Upstate South Carolina. So generally our clientele are located within 2 hours of our office here in Asheville. We build a very diverse style of homes, everything from farmhouse to traditional to craftsman to very modern contemporary homes.
One of the benefits for utilizing Buchanan Construction is the collaboration between the commercial and residential divisions. That allows us to problem solve for the enhancement of our projects. The commercial and residential divisions also share staff as well as resources to move the project forward as a whole.
Many times clients come to us from other locations. They're looking to build their dream home here in Asheville, North Carolina. So they've got this vision and inspiration on what they want to build on a mountainside lot. So most of the time they don't have experience in that. So we're really the bridge to how can we gap their vision with what we can accomplish on a mountain topography. And so we can help guide them through that process, help make practical suggestions, and even help design their dream home that will work and build here in the mountains of Asheville, North Carolina. Here at Buchanan, we do have a team of designers that assist our clients in really bringing their vision to life, whether that is from the exterior aesthetics of the home, the style of the home, or the interiors. We're here to help guide you and help you make the best decisions to accomplish the vision that you're trying to achieve.
My name is Jessica Coogan. I'm the design build manager for Buchanan Construction, and I basically guide clients through the pre-construction design phase and manage the project on their behalf until they're ready to move forward with the construction contract. We assemble a team of architects and engineers to basically make the project a reality. All design consultants and engineers go through us and are contracted through us, and we work on the client's behalf to make the dream home.
We started a luxury renovation division to help the clientele that are looking for that type of service, and also with many of the people moving to our area. We have a lot of historic homes in and around Asheville. We have people moving here that are aging in place, so there was a real need for that service, and so it's been very successful for us, and we love helping clients to renovate and refresh their areas, add on to their home. And really it's amazing the transformation that you can take to a home that is very traditional. They can make it modern. It's really one of our most exciting services that we offer. There's multiple reasons a client would select Buchanan Construction. I think number one is our reputation that we have built in the Asheville area. For 18 years, we've stood on those core values: quality, integrity, professionalism, something that guides us every day. We are really focused on delivering high quality, superior craftsmanship to our clients. I think our people that we have, our team that we have here at Buchanan, over 50 employees, a great wealth of knowledge, experience that we bring to our clients, team collaboration, communication. During our history of Buchanan, we've really developed some great processes that are consistent at delivering high quality, great communication, and a focus on our client satisfaction. If you're looking to build in Asheville, Western North Carolina, or Upstate South Carolina, we'd love for you to visit our website, buchananconstruction.com. You can learn more about our company, our services, view our portfolio. From there, you can contact us directly via email, or you can give us a call. We'd love the opportunity to talk with you, meet with you, and allow us to partner with you to accomplish your dreams.